Take a moment to quiet the chaos around you. Embrace silence and disconnect from distractions and negativity. Your journey is yours alone, and not everyone needs to know every step you take. Often moving in silence is the best way to progress. People tend to create noise, seeking attention and validation. But true growth and success come from focusing inward and maintaining a quiet resolve. Not everyone will celebrate your efforts or recognize your progress. Many obstacles and challenges will try to hold you back. If you don't take the necessary steps and make time for yourself, you'll never see the horizon ahead. Silence is a powerful tool for your journey. Your business, your goals, and your dreams are yours. Share selectively and protect your progress by maintaining a low profile. When you're on the right path, stay focused. Don't let external influences derail you. Inside you is a reservoir of power, uniqueness, and strength. Embrace silence and move forward with determination. Be what you need to be and hold on to your inner resources. Your journey requires you to work diligently and quietly. It's natural to want to share your successes, but remember, not everyone needs to know what you're doing. When you announce your plans, you open yourself up to interference and sabotage. Your purpose is uniquely yours, forged within you, and cannot be taken away. Distractions will come, and people will try to make you doubt your worth. But you must stay focused and committed to your purpose. Silence is sometimes necessary to protect your progress and maintain humility. Many people talk about their plans, but rarely follow through. You're different. You understand the importance of taking action and doing what needs to be done. Even if you feel alone, embrace that solitude. You don't need constant recognition or validation. Sometimes walking alone is the best way to maintain focus. Turn off the noise around you and seek clarity in your life. Make every move with purpose. And when you make mistakes, learn from them and keep moving forward. It's easy to get discouraged, but look around and see how people crave attention through superficial means. They want to be heard, but who is really listening? What are you doing to be seen and recognized? Don't feel the need to make a spectacle of yourself for attention. You can be unique and powerful by simply doing what needs to be done. The right people will notice your efforts. Believe in yourself, even if you're moving in silence. Your completed work will speak for itself, and people will wonder how you achieved it. When they ask, simply say, you are conducting your business. Your life, your journey, and your progress are yours alone. Don't let outsiders disrupt your path. Embrace your uniqueness and move differently. Silence can be your ally, creating a sense of mystery and protecting your valuable information. People who see your potential may envy you and try to hinder your progress. Don't let their negativity affect you. Being different can be challenging, but it defines who you are. You don't have to follow the crowd. Learn to lead, but do so in silence. When you share your plans prematurely, people wait for you to fail. They celebrate your setbacks. So be cautious with your words and wait until the job is done before sharing. Continue to move in silence and celebrate your achievements loudly once you reach your goals. Until then, stay quiet, be productive, and never give up. Keep moving forward with determination and purpose. The world we live in today is filled with noise. Everywhere you turn, there is a constant barrage of information, opinions, and distractions. Social media, news channels, and even our immediate environment are filled with people clamoring for attention. They want to be seen, heard, and validated. But in the midst of all this noise, there lies a profound truth: the power of silence. Silence is not just the absence of sound, it is a state of being. It is a deliberate choice to disconnect from the external chaos and connect with your inner self. When you choose to move in silence, you are making a conscious decision to focus on your journey without the need for external validation. You are choosing to protect your energy, your goals, and your dreams from the prying eyes and negative influences of the outside world. Not everyone will understand your journey. Not everyone will celebrate your progress. In fact, some people may actively try to hinder your growth. They may be envious of your determination, your focus, and your success. But their opinions do not define you. Your journey is yours alone, and it is up to you to stay committed to your path. When you move in silence, you create a protective barrier around your goals. You shield yourself from unnecessary criticism and negativity. You allow yourself the space to grow, to make mistakes, and to learn without the pressure of external judgment. This does not mean that you should isolate yourself completely. It means that you should be selective about what you share and with whom you share it. The journey to success is not a straight line. It is filled with twists, turns, and obstacles. There will be times when you feel like giving up. There will be moments of doubt and uncertainty. But it is during these times that silence becomes your greatest ally. In the quiet, you can find clarity. You can reconnect with your purpose and reignite your passion. Silence allows you to listen to your inner voice. It helps you tune out the noise of the world and focus on what truly matters. It gives you the strength to persevere, even when the odds are against you. It reminds you that your journey is unique, and it is not meant to be compared to anyone else's. When you move in silence, you also cultivate a sense of humility. You understand that your journey is not about seeking external validation or approval. It is about staying true to yourself and your purpose. It is about putting in the work, day in and day out, without the need for applause or recognition. There is a quiet confidence that comes with moving in silence. It is the confidence that comes from knowing that you are capable, that you are worthy, and that you are enough. It is the confidence that allows you to stay focused on your goals, even when others doubt you. It is the confidence that comes from knowing that your success is not dependent on anyone else's approval. Moving in silence also allows you to be more strategic. When you keep your plans to yourself, you avoid unnecessary scrutiny and interference. You can work on your goals without the pressure of external expectations. You can make decisions based on what is best for you rather than what others think you should do. In a world that is constantly seeking attention, moving in silence sets you apart. It shows that you are focused, determined, and committed to your goals. It shows that you are not swayed by the opinions of others. It shows that you are willing to put in the work, even when no one is watching. But moving in silence does not mean that you should never seek support or guidance. It means that you should be selective about who you allow into your inner circle. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who support your goals, and who encourage you to keep going. These are the people who will lift you up when you are down and celebrate your successes with genuine joy. Remember, your journey is not a sprint. It is a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and a relentless commitment to your goals. There will be times when you feel like you are not making progress. There will be moments of doubt and frustration. But it is during these times that you must remind yourself of the power of silence. Silence allows you to regroup, to refocus, and to recharge. It gives you the space to reflect on your journey and make necessary adjustments. It helps you stay connected to your purpose and stay true to yourself. It reminds you that your journey is unique and it is not meant to be compared to anyone else's. In the end, your success is not defined by how much noise you make. It is defined by the work you put in, the progress you make, and the goals you achieve. It is defined by your ability to stay focused, to persevere, and to keep moving forward even in the face of adversity. So, take a moment to quiet the chaos around you. Embrace silence and disconnect from distractions and negativity. Your journey is yours alone, and not everyone needs to know every step you take. Often moving in silence is the best way to progress. People tend to create noise, seeking attention and validation. But true growth and success come from focusing inward and maintaining a quiet resolve. Continue to move in silence and celebrate your achievements loudly once you reach your goals. Until then, stay quiet, be productive, and never give up.